Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So today we do spring wall decoration. Today we are going to create a beautiful spring bath are perfect for the door, wall, window, tables. They are full of bright color flowers, which brings joy and freshness into your home. Even beginners can make a simple bath that looks stunning. What is a spring bath? A spring bath is circular decoration made of flower leaves and other decoration items. It can be real flower, artificial flower, or a combination. Spring baths are a great way to welcome guests, decorate your home, or celebrate the season. You can also make theme bath for Easter, birthday, spring holiday. To make your spring bath, you will need water-based foam, wire, or straw, artificial or real flowers, tulip, daisy, rose, lily, blossom, creamy leaves, ornaments, ribbon for hanging or decoration, optional small birds, butterfly, Easter eggs or beads, hot glue, gun or flower wire to cards, decoration. Choose bright spring colors like pink, yellow, purple, and green for a cheerful and fresh look. And beavers, step by step die beavers. Choose the bath base that creates your door or wall. Wrap it with ribbon or granny to cover the base, or proved as a solid background. Arrange the flower star, placing flower evenly around the bath. Mix different size and color for a nature and lively look. Fill empty spots with smaller flowers or birds. Add grainier leaves. Place leaves or frame around the flowers for texture. This helps your bath look full of natural. Add butterflies, small birds, Easter eggs, or beads. As it make your bath festive and personal. And weavers, finish and hang. Add a ribbon for hanging or a bow for a decoration. Your spring bath is ready to display decoration ideas. Front doors, bath, bright flowers, and a large ribbon to welcome guests. Smaller water decorate. Living room or headway walls. Table centerpiece, lay the bath flat and the centerpiece. Pastel theme, use a soft pink and mint green for a gentle spring look. Bold color, bright yellow, orange, and purple for a cheerful, lively display. And weavers, flower only bath. Use flowers only for a full elegant look. Mixed material wall, combine flowers, leaves, ribbon, and small ornaments.